Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up. The latest updates on the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. From leaked specs to rumored features, this drone seems to be gearing up to set new benchmarks in aerial photography and videography. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about what DJI is bringing to the table, stick around because we're covering everything you need to know. Let's jump right into the leaks and rumors surrounding this game-changing drone. A few days ago, Jasper Ellens, a well-known source for DJI leaks, shared an exciting update on X about the much-anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. According to Jasper, the drone is rumored to launch in April 2025, and the details shared hint at some impressive advancements. One of the most exciting features is the rumored 52-minute flight time, which could make the Mavic 4 Pro one of the longest-lasting consumer drones in DJI's lineup. This extended time will allow users to capture more footage without frequent battery swaps, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The camera is another highlight of Jasper's leaks, as the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a 100-megapixel camera. This would be an enormous leap forward for drone technology, allowing for incredibly detailed photos and videos. Such a high-resolution camera would not only attract professional photographers and videographers, but also hobbyists who want to push the boundaries of creativity. Paired with stepless electronic ND filters, this drone seems tailored for cinematic video capture. The ND filters will provide smooth and precise control over exposure, making it easier to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions without compromising on quality. Another rumored feature is the introduction of O4 Plus transmission technology, an upgrade from the O3 Plus system in the Mavic 3 series. This enhancement could mean better range, lower latency, and improved stability, ensuring seamless control and live video feed even in challenging environments. Along with this, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with the RC2 controller, a modernized and intuitive device designed to maximize the drone's capabilities. For drone operators, this pairing could redefine the flying experience, making it both simpler and more powerful. Weighing just 1,045 grams, the Mavic 4 Pro strikes a balance between portability and durability, ensuring it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for diverse conditions. These features, combined with DJI's renowned build quality, hint at a drone that's designed to redefine industry standards. While these leaks give an exciting glimpse into what's coming, many questions remain. Will DJI include new flight modes or advanced sensors? What will the pricing look like? As we await official announcements, the Mavic 4 Pro already looks like a strong contender for the best drone of 2025. Stay tuned for more updates.